Europe fears peace, for a reason. As the war in Ukraine edges toward an eventual end, Poland is issuing a stark warning. What follows may not be stability, but a surge in organized crime. Authorities say a flood of illegal weapons could soon cross into Europe, turning post-war recovery into a new security crisis. Polish police are preparing for a dramatic escalation in arms smuggling. From just a few hundred illegal weapons seized annually, officials now expect thousands every year. The concern is not just quantity, but firepower. Military-grade weapons, including rifles and grenade launchers, could end up in the hands of criminal networks across the continent.
There's a huge amount of weapons transferred as part of aid in Ukraine, plus a large number of post-Soviet weapons. And the end of armed conflicts has always been associated with the risk of their uncontrolled influx. Project Trident is intended to prepare police officers to detect such smuggling and dismantle the organized crime groups involved.
The fear is rooted in scale. Since 2022, weapons were distributed widely across Ukraine for national defense. Add to that decades of Soviet-era stockpiles and ongoing Western military aid, and the result is one of the largest concentrations of weapons in Europe. History offers a clear warning. When wars end, weapons don't disappear, they spread. Experts warn of a dangerous post-war dynamic, one that could fuel the rise of cross-border criminal networks. Unemployed war veterans, trained in combat and with access to weapons, may be drawn into illegal activities, giving organized crime both manpower and military-grade capability.
Criminal groups will recruit them into illegal activities. Unemployed war veterans, coupled with their easy access to weapons, pose a significant threat.
Poland is already preparing for what it sees as an inevitable wave. Under a new initiative, police are deploying advanced surveillance systems, drones, mobile X-ray scanners, night vision devices, and tracking tools. Working closely with Europol and Frontex, authorities aim to intercept weapons before they spread deeper into Europe.
We take very seriously the scenario of an influx of illegal firearms and ammunition from Ukraine to neighboring countries and the rest of the EU, both in terms of light weapons and military weapons.
Officials call this a critical time window, a chance to prepare before the surge begins. Because once the war ends, the flow may be difficult to stop. From the Balkans to other global conflicts, history shows a consistent pattern. Wars may end, but their weapons continue to fuel violence for decades.